Hello guys, welcome back with another video at SHOEGR Academy. And as we all know, the winters are here, and what is the most essential pair that every girl has in their wardrobe? And that is none other than a very dear own winter boots. I know every girl out there has more than one pair. It can be Uggs, it can be Carlton London, it can be any other thing. And the most important and the foremost problem is how to take care of them, because we put it in the machine and it doesn't stay in shape. So today we are with this video to tell you how our ultimate SHOEGR kit gives you the easiest solution to take care of your winter boots and just pass these winters away warm and cozy. Okay, so guys, as this drill goes, I will keep the right shoe for comparison basis later in the video, and I will work on my left shoe. So the collapsible bowl, much needed, water, 3 squirts of our solution. So the first thing first, because it has a lot of dry dust, so first we need to dust off with using a soft brush. So just dust it. So as we've dusted now, and it's not as dirty as we had seen, so we will dip the same soft brush in the solution and gently start to clean our winter boot. Go in circular motion, and because suede is a material, so it will tend to absorb a lot of liquid, so all you need to do is pat with the microfiber towel and don't rub against it. So now we will come on the midsoles, and for that we can easily use a medium brush. And look at that. Now the other side. So now we come to the outsoles, and for that we will use our hard brush. So our shoe is all clean, and you could see the ultimate kit has done its magic within, I don't know, probably less than 2 minutes. But we have to leave the shoe to dry, and we will show you the results once it's dried. So guys, as you can see, the shoe is completely dry and it looks brand new, as if our black beauty is back. So all we used is the soft brush and the solution, and I will tell you how it looked initially, and it was so bad. And bam. Just look at the difference. And literally it took me not more than 3 minutes to clean, just gently clean, and it was all gone. So definitely without a doubt, do go ahead and buy the ultimate kit, especially for your winter boots, because they do require special care and you want to last it for a longer time, because they're very oftenly wear during the winters and not throughout the year. So guys, this was it for this video, how we are supposed to clean the winter boots and how ultimate kit has been a savior for these. So if there's anything else that you would like to see, know or ask, do let us know. Just DM us. And hope you have a great day and a year ending. Do subscribe and like our channel, and thank you for watching this video.